Now let's see how the pipes are going to be connected. This is a very user-friendly design, just has 3 steps. You need to remember white to white, blue to blue, and red to red. Compared with other products on the market, you can get everything done without paying much attention to complicated installation steps. Fewer components reduce the possibility of water leakage. Now connect the tubing. Install the inlet water tubing. Take the blue 3/8 inch inlet water tubing, which has been connected to the feed water adapter. Insert the other end of the tubing into the inlet water port on the system. Connect the lock clip. Please pull on the tubing to create a suitable gap between the lock sleeve and the port fitting to install the lock clip. Install the wastewater tubing. Take the red 1/4 inch wastewater tubing, which has been connected to the drain saddle. Insert the other end of the tubing into the wastewater port on the system. Lock it in place with a lock clip. Install the pure water tubing. Take the white 1/4 inch pure water tubing and insert one end into the pure water port on the system. Lock it in place with a lock clip. Insert the power cord, which is attached to the RO faucet, into the faucet connector and then tighten it. Connect the power. Insert the DC head of the power adapter into the power port at the top of the housing. Note, don't connect the power socket yet. After installation, please check whether the tubing is installed correctly.